90% of people who want to start a machine-based business never do it for the same reason. They think they need tens of thousands of dollars. But inside the catalogs of Chinese industrial trade shows, there are machines under $1,000 that produce things the world buys every single day. Machines almost nobody imports. Machines generating margins between 200 and 800%. And in most cities around the world, nobody is using them yet. Today, we're going to look at 20 of those machines. The ones making the most money, all for under $1,000, with real factory prices and the business math behind each one. And the best part, because almost nobody looks for them, almost nobody owns them. Zero competition. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because on this channel we show machines and industries that move real money. No filters. Machine number 1. Scented candle machine for glass jars. Price in China, $250 to $700. You melt soy wax or paraffin, add fragrances and colorants, and the machine fills glass jars evenly and continuously. The global candle market was valued at $8.98 billion in 2025 and is growing 7% annually. A 180-gram candle costs between 40 and 80 cents to produce. It sells for between $8 and $30 in design stores, spas, and online shops. In most cities around the world, artisanal production is still done by hand. Whoever owns this machine produces 10 times more with the same effort. Machine number 2. Artisanal soap cutter with multiple wire guides. Price in China, $150 to $400. What separates a soap bar that sells for $8 from one that sells for $2 is not only the ingredients, it's the presentation. The global soap market was valued at $50.68 billion in 2025, growing at 6.3% annually. A 1 kilo soap block costs between $1.50 and $2.50 to produce. From that block, you can make up to 12 bars sold between $3 and $8 each in natural stores, hotels, and online. The margin per block can exceed $40. Machine number 3. Compact cold oil press. Price in China, $200 to $700. No heat means no degradation of vitamins or antioxidants. Cold-pressed virgin avocado oil sells between $8 and $18 per liter. The fruit costs between $1 and $3. Moringa oil sells between $20 and $40 per liter for export. It works with avocado, coconut, peanuts, sesame, flaxseed, and dozens of other seeds. The leftover press cake also has value as protein flour for artisanal baking. 2 products, 1 process, 0 waste. Machine number 4. Manual and semi-automatic capsule. Filling machine for gelatin capsules. Price in China, $120 to $400. A perforated tray separates empty capsules, fills them with powder using a scraper, and seals them through pressure. It produces between 100 and 500 capsules per cycle, depending on the model. You can fill them with turmeric, maca, moringa, ashwagandha, spirulina, or any powdered superfood. The global natural supplements market exceeds $120 billion and grows 8% annually. A 60-capsule bottle costs between 50 cents and $1.20 to produce. It sells between $12 and $35 under your own brand. Margins can exceed 1,000%. The challenge is health regulation in each country, but the potential makes it worth studying from day one. Machine number 5. Fresh pasta and artisanal noodle maker. Price in China, $150 to $500. It mixes, kneads, and extrudes dough through interchangeable nozzles, producing spaghetti, fettuccine, rice noodles, and legume pasta in continuous production. The global pasta market surpassed $22 billion in 2024, growing at 4.5% annually. The fastest growing segment is lentil, chickpea, and black bean protein pasta, sold at premium prices in health markets worldwide. Fresh artisanal pasta costs between 15 and 30 cents per 100 grams to produce and sells between 80 cents and $2.50. Private label legume pasta reaches $7 per 250 grams in specialty stores. If any of these 5 machines interest you for importing, the link in the video description includes the complete step-by-step process. The next 5 have the most global markets. They produce things sold the same way in Europe, Asia, Africa, and America. Machine number 6, flat heat press for sublimation. Price in China, $120 to $400. It prints high-resolution designs onto t-shirts, mugs, caps, and cushions in 30 seconds at 180 degrees. The print does not peel or fade. The global product customization market exceeds $44 billion and grows 10% annually. A blank t-shirt costing between $2 and $5 sells between $15 and $40 once customized. A 50-cent mug sells between $8 and $20 personalized. The real business is in corporate orders, logo uniforms, graduation shirts, sports teams. An order of 100 pieces at $20 each means $2,000 in revenue in a single day. Machine number 7, adhesive vinyl cutting plotter. Price in China, $180 to $500. A computer-controlled precision blade cuts letters, logos, and shapes into adhesive vinyl with extreme accuracy. The business is signage. Every city in the world is full of stores, restaurants, vehicles, and offices needing signs. The global signage vinyl market exceeds $5 billion and grows 6% annually. One installed square meter sells between $15 and $40. The material costs between $1.50 and $4. Margins exceed 70%, and customers prefer a local supplier who delivers within 48 hours instead of waiting weeks. Machine number 8, semi-professional double-chamber vacuum sealer. Price in China, $180 to $500. It removes air from special barrier bags and seals them airtight. Without oxygen, food shelf life increases between 3 and 5 times. The global vacuum packaging market exceeds $33 billion, growing at 5.8% annually. Use it for your own product or charge the service to butcher shops, fish markets, and cheese stores without their own machine. The bag costs between 5 and 15 cents. You charge between 50 cents and $1.50 per unit. A double-chamber machine processes between 400 and 800 packages per hour. Machine number 9, compact chocolate tempering machine. Price in China, $250 to $800. It heats and cools chocolate coating in precise cycles to achieve mirror shine, clean snap, and a texture that melts slowly. Poorly tempered chocolate looks dull and sells for half the price. With this machine, you can produce bonbons, filled bars, and chocolate-covered nuts with a professional finish. The global chocolate confectionery market exceeds $136 billion. Artisanal chocolate made with origin cacao sells between $3 and $18 per 100-gram bar. Production cost ranges from 20 to 50 cents. Boutique hotels, corporate gifts, and airport stores are your best clients. Machine number 10, nut butter making machine. Price in China, $150 to $500. It grinds nuts into a smooth spread with no added oils, preservatives, or sugar. It works with peanuts, almonds, cashews, macadamia nuts, and sesame for tahini. The global nut butter market exceeds $4 billion and grows 6% annually. 1 kilo of natural peanut butter costs between $1 and $2 to produce and sells between $8 and $18 under a brand. Almond butter reaches $28. Macadamia butter reaches $40. In most countries, nobody produces it artisanally under a brand. The market space is completely open. 10 machines, all under $800. The next 10 appear the least in typical lists. And that is exactly why they have the least competition. Machine number 11. Charcoal and biomass briquette machine. Price in China, $350 to $900. It compresses charcoal dust, carbonized sawdust, or coconut shells into high-density briquettes that burn between 2 and 4 times slower than conventional charcoal, with less smoke and more even heat. The global biomass fuel market exceeds $6 billion. In many cases, the raw material is waste from sawmills and processing plants. 1 ton of briquettes costs between $80 and $150 to produce using those residues. It sells locally between $250 and $400. Premium coconut briquettes exported to Europe and the Middle East reach $1,000 per ton. Machine number 12. Hot foil stamping press with metallic foil sheets. Price in China, $200 to $600. A heated plate with interchangeable molds presses foil sheets onto paper, leather, or cardboard, transferring permanent gold, silver, or metallic finishes. This is the hot stamping used on luxury business cards, premium notebooks, and gourmet chocolate boxes. A standard business card costs 10 cents. With gold foil, production cost rises to 15 cents, and it sells between 80 cents and $1.50. Artisanal print shops, branding designers, and custom packaging producers are the direct market. Global demand for premium packaging grows 8% annually. Machine number 13. Steam distiller for essential oils. Price in China, $280 to $800. It generates steam that passes through plant material, carries volatile oils, and condenses them separated from the water. The resulting hydrosol also has value in cosmetics. The global essential oils market was valued at $11 billion in 2024 and grows 8% annually. 1 liter of lavender oil sells between $30 and $80. Extraction costs using local plants can be between $1 and $5 per liter. In any country with aromatic biodiversity, the missing part is not the plant, it is the machine. Machine number 14. Hot wire technical foam cutter. Price in China, $200 to $600. A nichrome wire heated by electrical resistance cuts polyurethane foam, styrofoam, and memory foam with smooth finishing and no waste. Foam purchased in large blocks at raw material prices and cut to size for upholstery, gym mats, acoustic insulation, or protective packaging multiplies its value between 5 and 10 times. The technical foam market exceeds $40 billion globally. The business is custom cutting services for upholsterers, gyms, and furniture manufacturers. The customer arrives with measurements. You cut. No inventory, no waste. Machine number 15. Small-scale industrial yogurt maker. Price in China, $250 to $700. It keeps milk between 40 and 45 degrees for 6 to 12 hours, so bacterial cultures produce yogurt with natural consistency and flavor. The global yogurt market exceeds $99 billion and grows 5.9% annually. Artisanal yogurt without preservatives or thickeners sells between 2 and 6 times the price of industrial yogurt. 1 kilo costs between 40 cents and $1 to produce and sells between $2 and $6 in gourmet stores. The leftover whey also has value as a protein drink for gyms. In this business, nothing goes to waste. Machine number 16. Semi-automatic labeler for jars and cylindrical containers. Price in China, $200 to $500. Rollers and an automatic dispenser apply adhesive labels without bubbles or wrinkles at speeds between 30 and 100 containers per minute. Use it for your own products and justify premium pricing, or charge the service to small artisanal producers who cannot label larger volumes consistently. In every city, there are dozens of entrepreneurs needing this service once or twice a month. You charge between 3 and 20 cents per container. The operating cost is practically just electricity. Machine number 17. shaved ice machine and automatic ice shaver. Price in China, $180 to $500. Rotating blades shave ice blocks at high speed, producing ultrafine snow-like ice that absorbs flavored syrup evenly. Consumption of artisanal frozen desserts is growing 10% annually, driven by Korean bingsu and Hawaiian shave ice. A complete shaved ice dessert costs between 30 and 60 cents. To produce and sells between $2 and $6. In warm climates with a good location, one operator can sell between 80 and 200 units in one afternoon. The complete setup with cart and portable freezer costs less than $800. Machine number 18, hydraulic tortilla and flatbread press. Price in China, $250 to $700. 2 aluminum or iron plates press dough balls into exact and repeatable diameter and thickness on every piece. A level of consistency no handmade tortilla maker can maintain through hundreds of pieces in a row. The global tortilla and flatbread market exceeds $41 billion and grows 5.5% annually. An artisanal tortilla costs between 3 and 7 cents to produce. Wholesale to restaurants, it sells between 8 and 15 cents. Packaged under a brand for retail, between 20 and 40 cents. 500 tortillas per hour for 6 hours generates daily revenue between $240 and $600. Machine number 19, document laminator and spiral binding machine. Price in China, $120 to $400. The laminator covers documents with heat-sealed plastic. The binding machine punches holes and inserts spiral binding, so documents open 180 degrees. Together, they turn any printed material into a professional presentation. Laminating one A4 sheet costs between 3 and 8 cents and sells between 25 cents and $1. Binding 50 sheets costs between 20 and 40 cents in materials and sells between $1.50 and $4. Demand is daily. Lawyers, schools, universities, and businesses. There is no city in the world where this service is saturated. And now we arrive at machine number 20, the one with the highest margin on this entire list compared to its selling price. Machine number 20, lip balm and cosmetic stick making machine. Price in China, $150 to $500. It melts natural waxes, vegetable oils, and shea or cocoa butter at controlled temperature and pours them into molds the exact size of a lipstick or moisturizing stick. Using the same process, you can produce transparent balms, solid sunscreen sticks, natural deodorants, and plastic-free shampoo bars, one of the fastest-growing formats in sustainable cosmetics. The global lip care market exceeds $2.2 billion and grows 5% annually. A 5-gram natural artisanal lip balm costs between 20 and 40 cents to produce. It sells between $4 and $15 under your own brand. Margins exceed 900%, and the viral nature of these products on handmade beauty platforms generates organic sales without spending on advertising. 20 machines, all under $1,000. Scented candles in glass jars, artisanal soap cutter, cold oil press, supplement capsule filler, fresh pasta maker, sublimation heat press, vinyl plotter, vacuum sealer, chocolate tempering machine, nut butter maker, charcoal briquettes, gold foil stamping, essential oil distiller, technical foam cutter, industrial yogurt maker, semi-automatic labeler, shaved ice machine, tortilla press, laminator and binding machine, and lip balm and cosmetic stick maker. What these 20 machines have in common is that they produce things people already buy, every day, all over the world. You do not need to create demand. You only need to position yourself in front of it with the right machine and the right price. If one of these caught your attention, leave a comment telling me which one. And if you want to learn how to import from China without middlemen, the link is in the description. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because every week we show machines and businesses nobody talks about. See you in the next video.